Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable notifications on the Gardenscapes application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. That's my garden, and new, if you want to give notifications, click to the settings icon at the upper right corner of the screen, and under the Google Play on option, click to the second button, and if you want to enable notifications, click to the turn on button, and if you want to just click to the allow, and if you want to disable, click that again. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.